What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions of the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max 64 gigabyte in rose gold. Today I decided to pick up the 11 Pro Max because reviewers and tech pundits alike are raving about this camera. As you all know, the new 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max come with a brand new 3-camera module with a wide-angle lens, an ultra-wide-angle lens, and a standard lens. So this camera is supposed to be really a lot of fun to use, and it's supposed to be really capable with an improved night sight feature and a myriad of other improvements. We're going to compare the iPhone 11 Pro Max to the best buy of 2019, the Google Pixel 3a, which you can pick up at Best Buy or any participating retailer for about $399. Even though it has a single camera module on the back, it takes really awesome photos. So we're gonna pit these two together in the coming weeks. So stay tuned for that, as well as after a few days impressions, and after a week impressions, and after a month impressions with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's get started. You came here for the unboxing and first impression, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box here. Sometimes it's nice to take your time with these things. When you're making a big purchase like this, you definitely want to take your time and enjoy it, because this is a really nice product. You know, we're lucky as consumers here in the United States to have access to these products, to these devices. So without further ado, there she is in this matte rose gold finish. Absolutely stunning device. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid off to the side, let you guys get a decent look at it here. You've got that 3-camera module on the back. We'll go ahead and we'll take the phone out and set it off to the side for a few minutes, just so you guys can see what comes in the box. Here we have designed by Apple in California, the stickers and user manuals on the inside. And what's really nice is fast charging comes in the box. Now this is a 15-watt USB-C to Lightning power adapter. Secondly, you get your earpods, your standard earpods. They no longer include the dongle like they used to, but you get the standard earpods. These are actually very comfortable. The cord is a very nice length. And last but not least is that Lightning to USB charging cable. I hope you guys are seeing this well. Let's go ahead and get to the good stuff here. Here's what it looks like in the hand. Absolutely stunning device. Really am liking the gold. Was not planning on getting gold today. I was actually planning on getting a black or a green or a white device. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted, but the Best Buy that I went to did not have it in space gray or green or white. They only had it in rose gold. But to be quite honest with you, I really am enjoying the rose gold. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. I'm going to be comparing the iPhone 11 Pro Max to our Best Buy of 2019, the Google Pixel 3a, which you can pick up for $399. We're gonna be doing a camera comparison between the two. For $399, this thing takes awesome photos, so stick around to see if it's really worth upgrading to an $1,100 iPhone. My name is John. I really hope you enjoyed that video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, give it a thumbs down. My name is John, and I will see you in the next one.